How to enable the floating app window mode, or also known as pop-up view mode, for Samsung phones with Android 14. This is the Galaxy A15 smartphone here, and this feature basically allows you to have a floating window like this here while the app is playing, and of course, view another app while the other one is overlay. Okay, so to do this, let's get started. In order to get into the pop-up view mode here, one, you'll need to perform the recents gesture if you have on your gestures enabled or with the navigation buttons to get into the recents view mode. And when you're in this view mode, you'll notice all the icons are here. And when you tap on it, for every app open, you will see this little menu pop up here. Not every app is capable of going into pop-up view mode or floating window mode here, but if it does, you'll see it right there, open in pop-up view mode, that right there, okay? When I do this, it will have the app appear like this here. You can pull on this tab here and you can pull this down to increase the size or shrink the size of that currently app that's open. Tap into the very top here will give you additional options, such as having it back into split screen mode. One, you can have it into a little floating icon with this double arrows here like that. And you can go ahead and do whatever it is you want to do on your phone and come back. Let's say I go here now and I tap here, that's going to reopen it up for me like that there. Okay. You also got the other options to close it out or re-expand it back to the full screen mode. Okay, so what's cool about this is that you can have the video playing if the app is compatible, and then just use your other app and navigate or message or whatever it is and have fun. Okay, so like and sub.